What if a single date could define the future of one of the world's most talked about digital assets? January 2026 is shaping up to be that moment for Shiba Inu. This isn't just another month, it's a convergence point for market forces, tech rollouts, and investor sentiment. The crypto community is buzzing, analysts see a perfect storm brewing. Is this just hype, or are there real signals that early 2026 will be pivotal for Shiba Inu? Shiba Inu's journey has been full of surprises. What started as a meme is now a robust ecosystem. As of October 2025, Shiba Inu boasts a dedicated team, a passionate community, and an ambitious roadmap. The key isn't predicting the future, but understanding the drivers that could shape it. Beneath the calm surface of the crypto market, powerful currents are shifting, like BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF and Shiba Inu's Layer 2 solution, Shibarium. When these forces merge, they could create a wave of immense power. January 2026, January 2026, is where these currents are expected to meet. Today, we'll break down the price action, community strength, and the tech upgrades setting the stage. By the end, you'll have a framework for analyzing any crypto asset in this fast-moving frontier. Let's dive into the heart of Shiba Inu's next chapter. The journey starts now. To see where Shiba Inu is headed, let's look at how it got here. The recent price surge wasn't random, it was months of steady development and growing confidence. Think of Shiba Inu as a coffee shop that started as a joke, then expanded with new products, a comfy space, and a loyal crowd. The price jump? That's the moment a top critic raves and everyone wants in. This wasn't just hype, real progress fueled the rally. In crypto, momentum matters. When prices rise, FOMO kicks in, attracting new investors and pushing prices higher. But Shiba Inu's surge was different. It was backed by real news and growing utility. This blend of community energy and substance sets it apart from fleeting trends. Technically, Shiba Inu has established a new price floor, meaning a new class of long-term holders has entered. These aren't just speculators, they believe in the vision and provide stability. Each new level becomes the foundation for the next. As we approach 2026, Shiba Inu stands on a stronger base than ever. The project's evolution from meme to market mover is undeniable. The next phase could be its most transformative yet. The foundation is set. Now it's about building higher. Let's see what's driving this momentum. In crypto, community is everything, and Shiba Inu's Shiba Army is its secret weapon. This isn't just a group of investors, it's a global movement that creates content, spreads news, and drives demand. Community sentiment is like wind in a sail. Without it, even the best project stalls. The Shiba Army keeps the project in the spotlight, amplifying every announcement and fueling organic growth. But it's not just hype. The community votes on proposals, shapes tokenomics, and has real ownership. This deep involvement builds loyalty and resilience, but it's a double-edged sword. Negative sentiment can hurt just as quickly. That's why clear communication and steady progress from the team are vital. As January 2026 in January 26 approaches, keeping the community united will be crucial. The Shiba Army's belief is a force that can't be underestimated. In crypto, value is as much about people as it is about code. The next chapter depends on this collective energy. For mainstream adoption, crypto projects need real-world connections, and Shiba Inu is making big moves. The partnership with D3 Global aims to secure a top-level domain like .shiba, making crypto addresses as simple as website names. This leap in user experience could onboard millions, making crypto accessible to everyone. It's a direct challenge to centralized internet infrastructure, pushing for a more open, decentralized web. These partnerships add real utility and long-term vision, moving Shiba Inu beyond its meme origins. When respected companies like D3 Global join forces, it boosts credibility and attracts more partners. Each new collaboration strengthens the ecosystem and creates a cycle of growth. The D3 partnership could be a catalyst for even more real-world integrations. As 2026 nears, these moves may unlock the next wave of adoption. Real-world utility is becoming Shiba Inu's calling card. Shiba Inu's future isn't just about its own progress, the entire crypto market is evolving. The launch of spot Bitcoin ETFs, especially BlackRock's, has opened the floodgates for institutional money. Think of it as connecting a small lake to the ocean. Suddenly, trillions can flow in. As Bitcoin rises, the crypto wealth effect kicks in. New investors diversify into altcoins like Shiba Inu. Institutional adoption means Bitcoin ETFs will be standard in portfolios by 2026. Fueling a prolonged bull market. In this environment, projects with strong narratives and active communities stand out. The BlackRock ETF isn't just a tide, it's a structural shift that could benefit the entire ecosystem. Shiba Inu is well positioned to ride this wave. The next bull run could be bigger and broader than ever. The rising tide may lift Shiba Inu to new heights. A roadmap is a project's promise, and Shiba Inu's is bold. At its core is Shibarium, a Layer 2 solution that makes transactions faster and cheaper, like building a superhighway next to a crowded road. As more users migrate to Shibarium, transaction fees help sustain the ecosystem. A key feature versorkansaderi aperti foreign, burning SHIB tokens with every transaction, reducing supply and potentially increasing value. Investors are watching Shibarium's rollout closely as 2026 approaches. Beyond tech, Shiba Inu is launching play-to-earn games, a central hub, and a decentralized social platform. The Metaverse project aims to create a vast, immersive world for socializing, gaming, and commerce. Even partial success on this roadmap could dramatically boost Shiba Inu's value. The vision is ambitious, but the pieces are coming together. The next year will be a test of execution. If Shiba Inu delivers, it could redefine what a crypto ecosystem can be. The roadmap is more than a plan. It's a bet on the future of digital interaction. All eyes are on what comes next. Big potential means big risks. The crypto market is volatile, prices swing fast, and competition is fierce. Shiba Inu's ambitious roadmap is exciting, but execution is everything. Delays, technical issues, or security breaches could shake investor confidence. Regulatory uncertainty is another wild card. New rules could change the game overnight. The leadership must deliver and communicate clearly to keep trust high. Despite the risks, Shiba Inu's brand, community, and partnerships make the upside compelling. The key is balance. Know the risks, do your research, and don't just follow the hype. Informed decisions are your best defense. The opportunity is real, but so are the challenges. Approach with eyes wide open. The future rewards those who prepare. Will January 2026 be Shiba Inu's breakout moment? The ingredients are there, but nothing is guaranteed. The market is unpredictable. Knowledge is your best asset. Stay informed, read updates, follow the team, join discussions, and listen to critical voices. Move from passive speculator to active participant by learning the fundamentals. Shiba Inu's story is a window into the future of finance and technology. Whether it succeeds or not, there are lessons for every investor. This isn't financial advice. It's a framework for thinking critically about crypto opportunities. The landscape will keep changing, and only the informed will keep up. At Shiba Insights, we're committed to tracking every twist and turn. The journey to 2026 will be fascinating. Will you be ready? Keep learning, stay curious, and prepare for what's next.